I'm Heli from Finland. I am independent distributor of Forever Living products. We have all kind of products, healthy and wealthy. I have a family and my whole family are using these products because it's good for your healthy and your beauty. Even my little pet Fifi using these products. This for you. Yeah, it's good. Good for your skin.